Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I bring another topic. This is very common and it is one of the problems which I used to face every day, and so I believe that you may also be having the same kind of problem. That's why I bring up this topic. Before we start the session, I would request to the new viewers, please subscribe to my channel and check out all the playlists of Excel learning series where I have uploaded so many videos from the beginning and how you can become advanced in Excel. So let's get back into the topic of today. That is, here we have some text, that is Imphal and pin number, Thobal pin number, Yeripok pin number. So some numbers, some text are mixed and we want to separate the text and the number separately. So here I have already done something. So this is how we are going to do it. While we are doing this one, we will be able to learn so many other concepts also, and that concept will be helping you in your other projects. So I will be covering each and every how it is being interpreted by Excel and how the output is being given to us. That we will be looking into it so that you can become advanced user with those formulas which we are going to use in this tutorial. Here we are going to find out the position of the first digit, because without knowing the position we cannot extract anything from anywhere. So first we have to locate the position of this 795001 from the whole text of Imphal 795001. So let me delete all this and then we will do one by one. Here first we have to find out the position. Alright, so to find the position we have formula find. Now what we are going to find? We are going to find the number, digit, right? So what are the number? It's not exactly only one number. Here are so many words like 7 is there, 9 is there, 5 is there, 0 is there. Okay, like that, any number. So number basically start from 0 to 9. Okay, all other numbers are combination of 0 and 9, 0 to 9. We cannot pass all the digit at one go, so we have to use the concept of array. So if we want to pass any number as an array, then we have to provide a curly bracket, that is also known as second bracket. Here we are going to find what? 0 we want to find, then 1 we want to find, like that. 2, 3, 4 comma should be there, 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 7 8 and 9. From where? Within text means from where? We are going to find this number from this text, right? This text. So we have to select the cell reference of this text. But in Imphal 795001 we are not sure whether we have all these numbers. So to avoid any kind of error, we have to again pass this 0 to 9 number again as a text to this text. So passing this text means we have to append it. To append or to concatenate, we use ampersand, right? Then we will pass this number as a text. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, but close. Then what? Then a start number. From where we want to search? It will be searching always from the first position. First position, bracket close. Now it will give you an array, but the minimum number, the first position, the lowest position will be the first position of the first digit. So to find the lowest position, we have to pass here minimum. Minimum formula is there, then bracket close here. Now let's see what is the output of this one before we press enter key. So to check what is the result of this one, here it is already showing here 7, but still we can check by pressing F9. It is giving the position as 7. So let's see here in this text what is the position of 7 here. IMPHAL is 6 character, then 7 starts at the 7 position. All right, so we will just press undo, then we will hit enter. Now it is giving that the digit in this text starts from the position 7. Let's copy it and see if it works for the rest of the text or not. Here the 7 starts 8 position, so THOUBAL. You just count it. Thobal is a 7 character. Okay, and 7, the digit of 795138, the first digit starts from the position of 8. So every character is having one position. Here see T 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 is start from the 8 position. Like that. Here also Porompat. Here just see at my name NASIR. We will also count the space. Alright, so space is 6, then AHMED. Now it is 11 character. So now 9 starts at 12 position. Now since we know that the position of the digit starts from this place, then it is very easy for us to extract, because the text is on the left side of the digit and digit is on the right side of the text. So if we want to extract the text, then we will be using the left function. Here is equal to left, then what text it would be? Text is this text, given text is there. Then from left, how many characters you want to extract? So here infal is there, then I want to extract up to L, right? And L is just before first position of the digit, and we know the position of digit starts from 7, so we will be giving that 7, and then from start to 7, then it will extract the text. Pass this figure also F4, then it will work. But instead of that, I will be writing the formula again here, because we want to write the formula complete. Every time we are not going to find the position first and then extract the text and number. We are going to combine all the formula in one single cell. Okay, so here I will be writing again min, then find, then curly bracket 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 curly bracket close, then within the text is again C4, then concatenate with the digit again 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 bracket close. All right, now min bracket again close, then left character again close. Now let's see what is the result, and there will be a problem. That problem we will be fixing. Here we select it, and then we will press F9 to check the result. Now it is coming in false 7, but we want only the text, not the 7. Why 7 is included here? Because the position of the 7 in this text is 7. So it is saying that from the text, number of character I need is 7, right? So here IMPHAL and 7 is also included in the 7 position. So every time you calculate, one character, one digit will be always added in the text. So to remove it, what we would do is that we have to minus 1. All right, we have to deduct one position from the place, then hit enter. It will give you info. Now let's copy the rest of the cells, and it is perfectly giving all the text. Since we have already extracted the text from this given whole word, then now it is again easy to extract the number. In the text we use left because all the text here in this words are on the left side, not on the right side, and all the numbers are on the right side. So here we are going to use right. the text is this one, we know that. And then how many characters we need from the right. So let's just give 1 and let's see how it comes. It is giving 1, means from the right it is counting 1. Again, if I change this to 2, it is giving 0 1. Let's see, 3, then it is giving 0 0 1, because counting is starting from right side, 1 0 0 5. If I give 4, if I give 5, then 7 will be 6, right? Because the digit here is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's give it 6 here and it will extract all. And if I copy it, it won't work. Here it doesn't work. See, it is extracting only the 6 digits from the right side. So this is very basic and this is not dynamic. So we will be using write function, RIGST, write, then text, we'll select this text. Then when number of characters, here we cannot provide the number of character like this position directly. First we have to calculate the length of the text, len, again this one, from the length of the text. Let's see what it gives, just to understand what results it gives. Imphal 795001, still same thing, we are just copying the text here again. Okay, so undo it, Control Z. From here, how many characters we want to deduct? We need to deduct the position. So what is the position? We can find out min, then find, then curly bracket 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, curly bracket close, then C4, same formula, I'm just copying it. Okay, then pass the digit 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now min is closed. Let's see what is coming here. F9 is coming value because function is not proper. Here I have added one extra bracket, that's why the problem is coming. Let's see. Now 795001, instead of 795001, it is coming 95001. It means that one character has already included in the text calculation, because here the position was 7. So we are out of how many characters is there? In the Imphal, IMPHAL Imphal 795001. So total character in the Imphal 795001 is, total position is 12. Out of 12, we are deducting the position there. What was the position? Position of the digit, first digit is 7. So out of 12, if we are deducting 7, then how much remains? It only remains 5. We have to plus. In case of text, we minus 1. Here we will be adding 1 plus 1. Then it will become 795001. Now let's delete all this manual formula and then let's copy this one again. Now it will give you all this. So we have to first understand how to find the position of any character. Once you know that how to find the position of the first digit, and then it is very easy to find out, to extract the text or number from the given word. Alright, hope you understand this one well. Okay, this will work only in the pattern. Here the pattern is all texts are on the left side and all digits are on the right side, but there is no mixer. But in this case, see, Excel 2019 version 19 and Microsoft 365 Excel, so there is a mix of words and digit at random places. So this is not going to work. If we copy the same formula here, it is not going to work. Let's copy this formula and paste it here. See, Microsoft is there, but what about Excel? Excel is missing. Here Excel is there, but version is missing. And this formula is not going to work. We have to work separately, and this is a little bit complicated and a very lengthy one. So I will not be covering that one in this. So I will be making part 2 for this. And I hope that you have understood how to extract this text and number separately with this video. And if you have any concern, please do comment below. I will try to solve it. And don't forget to check out the part 2 because it's coming very soon. And thank you for watching. See you there. Bye bye.